have a bowl, empty bowl. I'm gonna show you how to do slime. So, yeah. I know I haven't been making videos for a long time, but I had to clean my room, which is clean, do homework, go to school, do all that stuff, guys. I'm gonna show you how to do slime. Got my 2 ingredients: soap, hand soap, and shaving cream, and that's all. So first, you're gonna want to put how much. You are gonna want. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. You want to put how much you want. I want a lot because I like fun. You're gonna need something to mix with. Mix it, and then it's gonna be like this. Look like watery. And I'm gonna have to mix it. I'm gonna be mixing like that. And then you're gonna get shaving cream. Mine is blue. Put a lot of shaving cream. Look, there, that's how much shaving cream we want. A lot. We wanted that. But I need a little more. Okay. I did it. Then you're gonna want to mix it. Play with it a little in the bowl. First, you're gonna want to mix it. Become pretty. Then come like that. It's gonna be a lot of slime. If you put a lot of shaving cream, then that makes a lot of slime. That's what I am. But I haven't tried this before, so yeah. You're gonna want to do like that. Boom. It's done. I'm gonna come back and put it in the freezer. Bye. Okay, I put it in the freezer for 45 minutes. So I already put it in the freezer, but I forgot to tell you how many minutes. Peace. See you later. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Oh yeah. I'm back. Oh yeah. I'm back. Oh yeah. I'm back. Oh yeah. They say I'm back. They say I'm evil. That makes me bad. I think we need a little bit of more soap. Soap is the one that helps. Shaving cream. In my head. Oh, sorry. Mr. I'm bad. Mr. I'm evil. That makes me good. More than I had. That's okay. Shaving cream. And also, I haven't been making videos. God, that's more like shaving cream. Okay. The way that I wasn't making videos also is because I'm sick. I wanted to make it because I'm bored. I don't know how much I'm going to make today. So you're going to shake it up. What should I? Oh, wait guys, I'm going to come back real quick. Bye. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't find it. So I think you're going to have to put it for an hour. So, yeah. Almost done. We just one little. Let's go. We go and we move together as a team. Chicken the now. So then I want to put it for an hour in the fridge. So peace.